Very fortunately and blessedly, Mzee Baba grew up strong leaders. All our 6 governors in this region were elected on their senior ticket. Some of them are very solid and consummate politicians and leaders. Professor Nyongo, Governor Orengo, your own governor here, my sister Gladys Wanga, and all these people. The senators who are here, the 6 senators from this region, including Senator Nyonka who's here, and your own senator here, Kajwang. Again, group of leaders that Mzee has mentored. For someone who worked so hard to grow leaders, such as Baba did, it will be unspeakable shame if all these wonderful people are not able to come together and move this region forward. I have no doubt in my mind. I have faith and I trust the Lord will strengthen the hands of these brothers and sisters in elective positions. All of them, all our governors, all our senators, all our members of parliament, all our women reps in this region, and all our members of parliament. So that as a great tribute and honor to Baba, they stick together, keep this region together, so that we work together.